The No Excuses DFY Fast Track to Success Accountability Program is a comprehensive and action-driven program designed to fast-track your journey in building a successful agency. This program is meticulously crafted to provide you with the tools, guidance, and accountability needed to build your rank and rent agency website, plus 9 more rank and rent niche assets efficiently and effectively. What's in the program and how does it work? You must have access to the DFY Magic Themes members area for all the training steps and access to the resources you will need to fast-track your rank and rent websites. We are not using other website builders in this program, so we can fast-track everyone in the program using the same information. There will be predetermined milestones for you to achieve in the allotted timeframes each week. All these milestones will include step-by-step training videos to follow. Commitment to action. Participants must be willing to actively engage with the program and take consistent action towards the set milestones. Adherence to the program structure. Follow the structured plan laid out in the program. This structure is designed to maximize your learning and growth potential. There will be a private Facebook group you'll be invited to for action steps, updates, and information. It will also serve as a key role in tracking your progress while being held accountable. Your active participation in this group is required during the program. There will be priority support given to all accountability program members. I know, here it comes. You're thinking, what if? There are 1,000 excuses you can come up with not to start your rank and rent business, but getting help and support with DFY Magic Themes is not one of them. You will build rank and rent websites quickly and efficiently. Request assistance proactively. Whenever you encounter hurdles, we encourage you to proactively seek help from us. Utilizing the available support is key to overcoming challenges and advancing towards your goals. There will be a checklist to follow and a calendar of the milestones to be achieved. We know everyone has life challenges, so we will schedule the agency website plus 9 other niche websites over a 30-day schedule. Remember, the members area will have all the steps, so your time to work fits your schedule. Monthly follow-up group. Zoom calls for questions and answers. Reduced learning curve. Our comprehensive guidance helps you avoid common pitfalls, reducing the learning curve associated with starting and scaling an agency. Increased accountability. Regular check-ins and a supportive community ensure you remain accountable and committed to your business goals. The No Excuses DFY Fast Track to Success Accountability Program is your pathway to building a successful agency with fewer obstacles and a strong support system. Embrace this journey with us, and let's enjoy the magic of achieving success together. Now, it's your turn to follow our step-by-step program and fast-track your rank and rent business today with DFY Magic Themes. Click the link below to get started. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Transform your rank and rent strategy with DFY Magic Themes now.